Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Ajmera Freeway by Ajmera Realty located in Vileparle West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual tower where you can see the tower is almost ready. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.25 acre that will have one tower with ground plus 12 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near JVPD Gulmohar Road, Vileparle West, from where Juhu Beach is at a distance of 1.1 kilometer, SV Road is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, and you have Vileparle railway station at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from the project. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 25 plus amenities with gymnasium, meditation zone, yoga zone, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1211 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1733 to 2089 square feet. Now let's also discuss the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Ajmera Freeway by Ajmera Realty located in Vileparle West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.